how to transition from employee to an entrepreneur. Are you ready to successfully transition into your business? This video is for all those people who want to go from a career break, perhaps, or they're already into business and they want to get consistent clients. Basically, we're going to discuss the business strategy as well as the subconscious programming that goes into the being of an entrepreneur who is a stunning success. So let's get started. Now, the moment you go to update your LinkedIn after a break, your heart sinks. You feel like the industry moved on without you. And that also happens when you have transitioned from an employee position, a successful career, to a new business. So stop typing that apologetic update that yes, you are re entering the market as so and start treating your career break as something which was very coveted. Not a blank space on your resume, but something which was a launch pad for your next big move. Why do I say that? Because in this video, I've broken down a 3-part practical strategy that takes you out from the loop of being where have I been, what have I done, showing almost an apology, to the only logical choice in your industry. And I'm going to also talk about a subconscious playing of the beliefs that goes on that sort of stops you from your next success move.